Welcome to BrickTrains. I'm Joey. Another space build. This is a Blacktron 6878. This one's going to take me a couple minutes to build, but it shouldn't be too bad. I've got two sets of instructions for this one. This set of instructions is pretty worn, so I'm just going to boy, these feel like an old wore out dollar bill. Alright, let's get the parts out here. See what we got. First things first, always build a minifigure. So it looks like our minifig. Standard grin. And he has this humongous shoulder pack thing with these glow-in-the-dark trans yellow pieces, which are pretty awesome. So I guess this is actually like a jetpack. His hands actually fit up on there. Pretty cool, actually. Oh, I forgot his visor. Can't fly around in space without your just pull down in front of you visor. Alright, I'll put that there by the Nesquik bunny from Studios sets. Well, he ain't gonna stand up. Fine by me, just lay there. Dumb bunny. Alright, we got a set of wings. Try it again. Got a set of wings and some more of these neon green or yellow pieces. And some slopes here. This set here has been well loved. Meaning it's been played with quite a bit. Lots of scratches and dents in this one, but that's okay. That's okay. Okay. That's what we got so far. Two of these, left and a right, and that gets us to step 5. Step 6 is going to be these turntables. Quite a bit of these turntables in this set. Alright, so that gives us these feet that can walk back and forth. Pretty cool. Two more turntables. And now we need our octagon piece. Very good. With the 4 turntables going one way and the 2 going the other way under the octagon, it stays in position while the feet shuffle below it. Very clever, Lego. Very clever indeed. Alright. Now we can turn the page over. See what we got here. All right. Alright, so that gets us to step 11. Now we have a little insert to build. So, uh-oh, something just fell off the front. So, I'm not 100% sure what fell off the front there. So we'll keep building until we run into a missing piece, because I couldn't find anything on the floor. Little cabinet here with a control panel on the front. Want to be stubborn. Probably need to put this on first. Or how about I put it on upside down or right side up? There we go. Alright. And this little spoiler support piece. When we put that, interesting, we'll put that back here. Okay. Like that. Okay. Now we have another little insert build here. Build our hinge piece like so. And I may have found the piece that fell off to the floor, which is this white 1x1 stud, which I found on the floor with another piece, and neither piece looked like they belonged, but I was wrong. Okay, so that goes here. With the two antennae stuck in the back. And then they're going to get these dishes. That's pretty cool looking. Now we got to go back up and get these guys on for the cockpit. And then these hinge pieces are very fragile, especially pieces this old. Alright, they go out here on this support or wing or whatever we're calling that. They flip out. Put the dishes on. Put our antenna in. And then I guess our tile actually goes inside here. Interesting. Alright, there we have it. 6878. This is a Blacktron set. Pretty cool little set. Another one to add to the cabinet. Thanks for watching. Comment contest. What year did this fantastic set come out? First correct answer in the comments, and I'll pin you to the top.